Today in this video, we are going to talk about how you can connect the KitchenAid flush mount microwave using the KitchenAid app. You have to make sure that your router supports the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, as this product is not compatible with a 5 GHz Wi-Fi. You will also need to download and install the KitchenAid app on your smart mobile device and also create an account in it. You can use any smart device like an iPhone, iPad, or any Android phones or tablets. We also recommend that the product has to be within 30 feet from the router to establish a reliable connection, and you also will need to have access to the correct Wi-Fi credentials. Once these are ready, we are now able to get the appliance online using the app. For this video purpose, I'm using an iPhone. If you're an Android user, the connection steps are exactly the same. I'm going to open the KitchenAid app on my phone after making sure that my phone is connected to the 2.4 GHz network. In case if your phone is on the 5 GHz, this is the best time to switch the network to 2.4 by going into your phone Wi-Fi settings. So the app is open and I'm going to tap on the plus option to add an appliance, and then I will tap on start adding appliance. Today we are connecting the microwave, so I'm going to select the microwave option and I'm going to select the second image from the list which matches the appliance display. The app has provided us with a set of steps to prepare the appliance for connection. The first step is to power on the appliance and then tap on settings. To power on, tap on display on off option and then tap on settings. Go back to the app and swipe left to see the second instruction, and that is to navigate to connectivity and then press confirm. So let's do that. Tap on the right arrow to navigate to the connectivity option and then tap on confirm. Now the display shows connect to network. To see the third instruction, again swipe left on the app screen, and that is the instruction is to press the confirm option. Now the appliance display shows the set number of the microwave and a QR code. Come back to the app and tap on find my appliance. Now the app is asking permission to use Bluetooth. Tap on OK. In the next few moments, the app will be locating the appliance. So here we have the microwave on the app screen and has the same set number that is displayed on the appliance display. Tap on connect on the app. Now we are in the Bluetooth pairing step. A 6-digit pairing number will be appearing on the app and the same number will be appearing on the appliance display. Tap on pair on the pairing request pop-up in the app and then tap on the checkbox and then tap on connect. Now tap on the confirm option on the appliance display. Now the app is asking permission to grant location access. Select allow while using the app, and finally we are on the Wi-Fi credential screen. At this stage you have to make sure that the Wi-Fi network that is showing up on the app is your 2.4 network. So in our case we have the 2.4 network showing up, and I'm going to enter the Wi-Fi password, which is case sensitive. So I have made sure I've entered the correct Wi-Fi credentials, and then I'm going to tap on the next option. From this point onwards, the app will be connecting the appliance to KitchenAid and to the home router. You can see that the display is now showing connecting to Wi-Fi. Now it switched to connecting to KitchenAid and then registering oven. And finally, the display is showing that the connection is successful, and at the same time we have an option to name the appliance in the app. I'm going to call this a microwave and then tap on done, and I'm going to tap on the confirm option. On the app we are now able to see that the appliance is online and it is showing the state as ready to cook. Remote enable option is also turned on and it is now ready to be controlled from the app. Now let's see how you can start cycles from the app on the microwave. So for that, tap on the appliance image and then select the cycle that you want to start on the appliance, say microwave, and you can set the cook time, cook power, you can adjust all those values. I'm going to keep it the same, and then I'll tap on the start option. And you can see that both the app and the appliance screen are showing that the cycle has started. The app also gives you the option to edit the power level or cancel the cycle. So I'm going to cancel it now. The cycle is cancelled on the microwave, as you see on the display. And if you want to select any other cycles, you just need to scroll through the options available and select the one that you want. And that's how you can remote control the appliance using the app. This is one such feature. Since you got your appliance online, you also have the ability to voice control the appliance using Google Home or Alexa. You also have the capability to get real-time notifications on your app when a cycle is completed on the appliance. These are some of the great features that are available when you get the microwave online. In case if you are having any difficulty connecting the appliance to Wi-Fi, the first thing that you will need to check is to make sure that you are using the correct 2.4 network and the correct Wi-Fi password. If you are still unable to connect, please unplug your microwave for 1 minute and then plug it back and retry the connection process again through the app using the correct Wi-Fi credentials. Even after that, if you are having any difficulty connecting your appliance to Wi-Fi, please contact us on the number provided on the screen. We hope this video will help you in getting your appliance online and using the smart features. Thank you.